Well, good morning, guys. Made breakfast already. Sasquatch, what'd you make? Yeah, he made the biscuits, and I made the gravy. So, and coffee. Everybody had their share of breakfast and all that stuff. It's a nice, cozy morning. Not too hot yet. Everybody got their stuff. We're just trying to relaxing a little bit. And after that, we're gonna clean up. And I think our plan today is to go to the beach. Alright guys, we just cleaned up camp, put out the fire and everything, and we are off again. And today's agenda, oh by the way, this is a day 2. So our plan today is going to the beach, just enjoy it for a second. Then after that, I think we're gonna go to the east side or towards the middle of the state so we can find a campground to camp overnight for tonight. So it's been great. We've never done this before, or actually I've never done this before, doing a 3-day trip. So it's the first time, but we're enjoying it so far. Still have my coffee, but yeah, it's fun. So I'll see you guys later.
And there's where we came from.
I think I like ours better.
It was kind of cool.
Yeah, like no tall grass, that's what I like. We don't have to worry about any ticks or bugs. Our first stop of the day was Pyramid Point Hiking Trail, located on the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Park. The hike to the overlook is about 1.2 miles round trip. And at the end of the hike, you will be rewarded with an amazing view of Lake Michigan. And of course, we have to take a group picture. We decided to have lunch before, and this time, Keith, aka Trash Panda, is in charge for lunch. He made us a delicious sandwich. It definitely hit the spot. Alright guys, so we just got done with the beach, went swimming. That was quite refreshing. Now we're back on the road again on our day 2 of our 3-day trip. So we had lunch, went swimming. That was quite refreshing, I would say. But now we're driving. I believe we're going southeast as far as like direction. Trying to find maybe a gas station to fuel up, or some local convenience store maybe to get some stuff. But yeah, it's been a really awesome trip so far. I mean, I don't even know how to express it. It's just been awesome doing all this stuff, you know, with the guys. So yeah, it's been fun. Alright, well, we're gonna find more trails and find more epic camping spot for overnight tonight. And all right, I'll see you guys back on the trail. Alright guys, we have found another epic campsite. We all set up. See everybody. I just have to set up my tent, but this is perfect. There's wind, there's everything pretty much that what we're looking for. And this is an open area, and we got the other side of it. We camp. We already started a fire. Oh yeah, this is fun. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's actually a boat launch if you have a small boat. But yeah, look at that. I mean, you're not gonna swim in it, but you definitely can go fishing. Yeah, so it's perfect. Look at that. Look at the view. This is just crazy. Breeze is not too hot. It's perfect. Yeah. So crazy good. So we're gonna enjoy dinner tonight. Actually, Corey is making a steak. It's gonna be good. And then I think somebody else is making a dessert. Unless Corey's making another one, but double duty. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Or you got it? No, we got it. I got mine too. Ooh. I think we got a winner, guys.
All right, Josh, what's for dessert? Brownies.
If I make it a little bit groovy. All right, Chris.
You have problems keeping your campfire going.